Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Tuesday, October 12th, 2021. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Today's announcements. Masks. Students and teachers are required to wear their mask at all times other than eating. Students, remember this is part of your uniform. You should bring it each day. Grades. Grades should be entered and up to date in Schoology. Check today to make sure that both your Schoology gradebooks and Power Teacher Pro gradebooks match and that all of your grades have been synced. Late duty today is Miss Curd. Tomorrow is Miss Hamlin. Thursday is Lankford and Friday is Miss Barnes. The word of the day is interval. An interval is the distance between 2 points. So in this example, we have a number line and we have a figure. Both of these are divided into 3 parts or thirds. So the interval between sections is thirds. Important dates. October 12th, today, is the start of the second quarter. Also, our fundraiser begins, so that's exciting. October 13th is tomorrow. Our iReady representative is here during extended PE. We will have our 5th grade super scholars visiting our Miss Overstreet and our kindergarten classrooms. October 14th, we have Reading PLT. October 25th through the 29th, we have the Book Fair and Red Ribbon Week. We have an exciting week going on then. October 27th, we have PST during extended PE, and we also have 5th grade super scholars. October 28th is Read for the Record. We'll have lots of visitors on campus. October 29th, we have a Feel Good Friday. Also, that is the last day for our fundraiser. November 3rd, our Sunnyside Theater play is going to be for our pre-K through 2nd grade students. We also have Alabama Course of Study PD during your extended PE time. November 10th will be Reading and Math PLTs. November 11th, we will have no school because of Veterans Day. And one day that I am so looking forward to is November 12th, World Kindness Day. So on November 12th and working up to that, each classroom is going to pick a passion project, something that the students and the teacher decide is what they want to do, and do something extra kind for someone in need. If you are struggling to find ideas, we can help you. We can help you partner with a local nursing home or another group that you want to help. So, students, get super excited about World Kindness Day because we shall all celebrate being kind on that day. I can't wait. We have kicked off our Be a Champion and Read campaign. That is still going. So all students are asked to read and take a test on 6 AR books. So after you take all 6 books and you take a test on them, bring your signed paperback to Miss Smith and she will get your name on the bulletin board, you'll get your bookmark, and your name will go into the drawing. So be a champion and read and get yourself on that bulletin board. We also have our pumpkin character contest. You are to make a pumpkin look like a book character of your choice. Make sure you send the book as well. Pumpkins are due in the library along with the book by October 15th, and we will be judging them on October 28th. We have some AR superstars to celebrate. They made it by the end of the quarter. Miss Arch's class, we have Owen Alexander, Elena Booker, Alexander Coleman, Brooklyn Crawford, Cash Sanders, Kamani Thomas Millette, Amiria Thompson, and Kamaya Williamson. In Miss Bertolino's class, we have Lemuel Peters, Damani Richardson, and Jalen Shader. In Miss Hamlin's class, we have Tatiana Parker. In Miss Heichman's class, we have Brooklyn Jackson, Jeffrey James, and Madison Pedway. In Miss Lankford's class, we have Deanna Chung. Miss Smith will be coming around this morning with the AR cart bright and early. Students, please remember that you have to return 2 books before you request 2 new books. Miss Smith deletes all requests for students who have books out. So turn yours back in, then go back in and request your next books. As I mentioned in the important dates, our coupon book fundraiser starts today. You will be watching a video that explains all of this how it works, what you need to do, and what all kinds of prizes you can win. Students, this is a really great fundraiser and a pretty easy one because people love, love, love those coupon books. I love the coupon books myself. So, ask your parents, ask your neighbors, ask your family members, ask lots of different people because everybody likes to save money. You just show them how much money they can save, and they might buy 2 books. So get started selling those coupon books so you can win those prizes. That's all for today's news. Have a terrific Tuesday, Kate Shepard.